Welcome back. Chairman of Fomento Resources Audhut Timblo has announced his plan of supplying solar power at free of cost to every household in Goa. He was speaking at the inauguration of Mokshadam at Harwale. He said that this dream of Fomento will come true within next 10 years. Mokshadam, a place wherein final rites of deceased are performed, has been brought up by Fomento Resources at Harwale in Sakhri. It was inaugurated by Chairman of Fomento Resources Audhut Timblo. Timblo shared his future plans while speaking at the function. The company wants to supply solar power at free of cost to each and every house in state within next 10 years.
जेन्ना म्हणटात मायनिंग बंद करात तेन्ना म्हाका दूख खाता म्हणजे काय वचपाना पण लोकां वटेन हांव म्हणटा गरिबी जेन्ना येता दॅट इज वर्स्ट पोल्युशन म्हणजे आमी स्वच्छ करया बरे भशेन आमी धनांतलो उपयोग घेवन स्वच्छ करून आमचें जीवन आनी सोसायटी मुखार व्हरया बरे भशेन जॉयंटली व्हरया.
Referring to some of the anti-mining sentiments in the state, Timblo questioned why people are opposing mining in the state when it immensely contributes to the society and economy.
जेन्ना आमी म्हणलें की आनी एक प्रोजेक्ट आसा की गोंयांत प्रत्येक घराक फ्री आनी 100% रिलायबिलिटी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी दिवन लायटी चालू करपाच्यो म्हणजे तुका आनी पेमेंट परत करपा नाका आनी सुर्याचेर लायट जावन घर प्रकाश येतलो अशे तरेन एक प्रोजेक्ट आसा पण 10 वर्सां वतली.
Cultural program was also held on the occasion. A reporter from Harwale, Uday Parab. Anti-narcotics cell has arrested one Babani Basu who had escaped from police custody 13 years back. Basu was convicted for 20 years in a drug case. He had escaped in 1999 when he was brought for a checkup in Goa Medical College. In another incident, CISF has arrested one Russian national, Valenko Anatoly, for possessing gun bullets. Here's a report.
Babani Basu was arrested on Thursday at Arambol. He was residing there for quite some time. In 1996, Babani was arrested by PI Raju Raut Desai. After conviction in 1999, he escaped from custody when he was brought for medical checkup in the GMC. Now again, he was arrested by ANC PI Raju Raut Desai at Arambol.
Same Raju Raut Desai, now who is the PI ANC, was patrolling in Arambol area, and he could see one person and recollect that he was the same person who was arrested by him and was sentenced for 20 years. And also you had the knowledge that he had escaped from the legal custody of the police. He followed him along with the other staff, and finally they could accost him at Arambol.
In another incident, CISF arrested one Valenko Anatoly at Daboli airport for allegedly possessing bullets of 3.5 caliber gun. Later, he was handed over to the Vasco police. Valenko was flying to Russia. Live bullets were found in baggage of Valenko at the security clearance counter at Daboli airport. Valenko did not possess any documents for carrying live bullets, and so he was arrested. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, Surendra Madkaikar from Vasco, with video journalist Omkar Frari.
600 entrepreneurs by 30th June. That's the target GCCI has set for themselves this year. GCCI has tied up with an NGO to provide training in entrepreneurship skills at the grassroots level. The program has already created around 33 successful entrepreneurs during a pilot program undertaken at Concon in October last year.
A NGO, I Create India, and GCCI will be organizing a 5-day training program for people interested in entrepreneurship at grassroots level. The not-for-profit trust is involved in entrepreneurship training at grassroots level in the country for more than a decade. The workshop will be held from 13th Feb to 17th Feb.
We are going to start train the trainer because we have been getting these people. They have trained people from actually they have come from US. They were Fortune 500 company CEOs who have given up their jobs and started this I Create India Inc. So they will be coming and training the trainers. We have got a lot of inquiries, especially the retired headmasters, retired bureaucrats who would like to be trainers, and we would be training them, and they in turn would be subsidized by Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries. They would go in the villages, choose their number, and we want this number to reach almost 600 by the end of June.
Some successful people who underwent the training shared their experience.
आमी जी आशिल्ली ती सामकी बिझनेसाची कांयच नॉलेज नाशिल्लें आनी फक्त सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप करत गेली पूण खंयचो बिझनेस कसो निवडप आनी तो ताजो फायदो कितें आनी खंयचो आतां हे आसा पळय आमची बिझनेस आसा आमची बायलो फक्त एक कुकिंग आयटमच करतात आनी तांची हे मायंड आसता ब्रॉड अशी व्हडली बिझनेसा खातीर वचना तो प्रोजेक्ट कसो करप कितें ही आयडिया आमकां ह्या हातूंतल्यान मेळ्ळी.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Goa Seafarers Association of India has adopted anti-Congress stand. The move comes after government failed to fulfill their long-pending demand of raising pension. They have also come down heavily on NUSI's management. Agitated seamen have now threatened to close down the NUSI hospital if the management fails to solve their problem by 18th.
Around 50 seafarers get out representatives of National Union of Seafarers of India at their office at Khareban Madgaon on the issue of their pending demands. Agitated seafarers had given a deadline of 12th January for NUSI General Secretary cum Treasurer Abdul Bani Serang to discuss with them in person. They have threatened to agitate at the NUSI Walkout Hospital if their demands are not met by 18th January.
18th January, आम्ही सगळ्या लोकांक गोंयच्या लोकांक NUSI हॉस्पिटल बंद. This is our decision.
That I already told. ताका आमचे NNB National Maritime Board Agreementची meeting आसला. ती final round. ते पासून तेंका ते भाशेन सांगला.
Seamen have now adopted an anti-Congress stand. They are planning to contest the assembly polls.
We are anti-Congress. Anti-Congress. We have requested all our members to go against the Congress party. We don't know, they have to choose which candidate is the best in their constituency. But we are saying it openly. We are anti-Congress. Seafarers community is voting against the Congress government.
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.